2025 na, VA ka na ba? Hindi pa? Bakit? Ino-overthink mo yung niche mo, no? Nakakainis! Hey guys, it's Sham, the founder of Barangay VA University and Community, and welcome to my latest series called Nakakainis, where I will prove to you that as early as now, you can be an effective virtual assistant. For today, we're going to talk about the third episode, which is General Virtual Assistant or General Admin. But before we start, let me remind you that we have a Notion page wherein you will find in our description box there's a link there. Click that link, save that link because all the things that you need there, all the dates of the episode airing, all the links of the previous episodes, and all the links of the helpful free resources are there for you. So please save that, pause, save that link, and continue after. Going back, let's talk about General Virtual Assistant. This is for everyone who wants to start as early as now. Very easy, but not as high when it comes to salary as the rest of the niche. But it's okay as long as you can enter first and then grow after, then this will be perfect for you. What is the role of a general virtual assistant? As a general virtual assistant, you're a jack of all trades. Everything that your client needs for you to do, you do it for them. All the small tasks that they need just for them to be able to focus on bigger things and scale their business, you do that for them. A lot of clerical stuff, a lot of admin stuff, a lot of, file organization, and a lot of basic research. So what are the usual tasks of a general virtual assistant? And guys, mind you, these are things that you can learn on your own. Okay, you don't need that much experience to be able to start, but you can actually, practice this on your own. Number one is file sorting, renaming, and cloud organization. You want to make sure that everything is organized and accessible for your client. Of course, number two is online research. Whatever your client needs you to research about, you have to be able to research for them. Of course, like transcription, internal coordination, and follow-ups, and maybe form or email or letter creation. A lot of clients would do EA stuff for you as well. So if you can do EA or GVA, that would be nice. That would be advantageous for you. And the usual tools that you use here are Google Workspace number one. Okay, that's what I say. Once again, Google Workspace, Google Mail, Google Calendar, Google Appointments, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Present, all the Googles in the world, project management tools, CRMs, communication tools, communication platforms, Canva maybe for some ad hoc tasks, and whatever that is that they need for you, that they need you to do for them. So you're gonna learn these, tools along the way. So what are the usual experience that you need as a future general virtual assistant? Of course, first is familiarity with admin tools, and of course, task management. You have to be able to learn how to manage projects because they will throw you a lot of things, sometimes all at the same time. So you need to be able to learn how to breathe and know which one to prioritize first and, handle multiple projects at the same time. It's very important here that you have very great attention to detail, you know how to listen, and you know how to proofread everything. And of course, you have to be able to learn, okay, to follow instructions. So sometimes they'll call you, sometimes you'll be on Zoom, sometimes they'll just email you a long email, or sometimes they'll just hit you up on Slack. But you need to be able to follow instructions, okay, and adapt quickly. So this is number one, okay? You want to be a solution, not a problem to your future client, mga mi. So what are the previous jobs of the current general virtual assistants now? So they were office staff, HR assistants, they were non-voice BPO agents before. Some are fresh grads actually. I mean, this is like a role where anyone can step in as long as you have organization and you have attention to details and you have the patience. It's easy for you to learn all these skills and just really apply it right away as future general virtual assistant. So if your hobbies are organizing digital files, spreadsheets, online research, blogging, anything about organization, anything about admin, then this role is for you. So comment, I am your next general virtual assistant if you think you're the next one. Thank you, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. Bye!